Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Find My Phone feature on the GARMIN Forerunner 70. Okay, it is really easy. Hold the light button, which is right in here, upper left side, hold it, and in here on the wheel you should have Find My Phone feature. If you don't have it, don't worry, we can add it manually. Hold the up button, the one in the middle on the left side, and then click on Add Controls, and then from the list you'll have to find My Phone feature. And then, if you have this feature added, go back and then select Find My Phone and hit the button to find. And now our phone is ringing. If you want to stop, click on again and select exit. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.